Okay, so Mahesh,
Okay.
good afternoon.
Okay, sir.
So, how are you?
Good, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm also good. So Rahul sir is also there.
Good, sir.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
So yes, how was your day?
Good, sir.
Okay.
Hope also going good, sir. Hello?
So
Yes,
can
sir.
you just tell yes, can you just tell me about yourself?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. I'm Mahesh Ghode. I'm from Bid. I did my diploma in automobile department from Pravara Rural Education Society from Loni. I have, after Corona, I got a chance in IT industry. So from last 2 years, I'm working as a UI developer, and last 6 months, I'm working on a Angular framework for web development application.
Okay. So why are you leaving your current organization?
Sir, after changing the field, because I'm an automobile sector, so I'm come to the IT. It's quite difficult to understand their concepts and but now I'm proficiently doing these all things. Now, but what happened? Our industry, our company project was ended, and we are doing from last 2 months just problem solving. So, what are issue coming? So I want to explore my knowledge. I want to gain other knowledge in scratch, developing websiting from scratch. I want to get.
Okay.
Hello?
Yes. Yes. Okay. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, Rahul. Yes. Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So tell me about your hobbies.
So my hobbies are going to gym, learning your books, and doing new activities like adventurous this type of stuff.
Okay. Tell me, where do you see yourself in next 2 years?
Sir, as a front end and back end developer in the next 2 years, sir. Because I'm doing here work as a UI developer. So I'm trying like in your if you give me chance, then I'm trying to learn back end also, back end and front end.
Okay. So tell me some good qualities about you.
So I'm a good learner, good team member, helping each other, and I will do the work what I assign, and I help to new member for learning, gaining instruction, this types of work I can do.
Okay. And tell me some bad qualities about you.
Bad qualities, sir. I not don't see time when I'm doing my interesting things like development or other. So if I take any task to be completed, I not see time.
Okay. Fine. So from here, Rahul sir will be taking your interview about UI. Okay.
Okay.
So Rahul sir.
Yes. Hello, Mahesh. How are you?
Good, sir. How are you, sir?
Good, fine. Okay, Mahesh. Tell me what is the purpose of DocTech?
Sir, Doctype we are using for give the information to browser which types of version we are using for developing a website or web application like HTML4, HTML5, this types of document
Tell me what is the difference between
information.
HTML4 and HTML5? Hello, I'm
Yes,
audible?
sir. Sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, HTML4 is a hypertext markup language oriented type 5. It is a previous version of HTML, and in HTML there are some certain limitation in HTML4. We can use their audio or video while programming. In HTML5 we can use the audio or video while programming. There are some new tags in HTML5: header, footer, main, these types of tags. And in HTML5 it is beneficial for better management of web application or web content website.
Tell me what is the difference between inline element and block element?
Yes, uh, inline content content takes width equal to its content, and in a block element they take 100% of width equals to its parents. Inline element always start on a same line. Block element always start on a new line. In an inline element, we cannot we apply margin from top, margin and padding from top or bottom side. In an inline box element, we can apply uh, margin and padding from all the sides. And the main difference is that here, in an inline element, mm, okay. These are the difference between inline and block element.
Okay. Tell me what is the display and visibility hidden?
Display none is a proper. We are CSS. We are doing to for uh, when we want to remove any property. But when we use display none, so the object from the HTML element from the DOM or UI get removed, and it changes the structure. And when we use visibility hidden, so it will hide from the user, but it will not change the structure of UI.
Tell me what is the box model?
So every HTML element is considered as a box model, which consists of some content which we are writing here or giving the images, padding the padding, border, and margin. So border is a separator between margin and padding, and space occupied by the HTML element outside the border is a margin.
Okay. Good. Tell me what is the key difference between HTML element and tags?
Sir, tags are the name which are we are using in HTML, sir. Like H1, H2, H3, they are names. What we are giving the tags. And HTML element contains the sir information like opening tag, closing tags, and in between we are putting the information. In sometimes we are giving the CSS in between the or giving applying the classes. So HTML element holds the information which are useful for the CSS or JavaScript, and HTML tags only the names, like a div, names like heading, footer, these types of name is HTML tags.
What is the semantic tag and what is the purpose of behind it?
What's it?
Which type of semantic tag we use and what is the purpose behind it?
Semantic tag like header, footers we are used, and which is special purpose like we are at that it is new in HTML5, and we are using for a special purpose like giving a heading, like the header page of heading, header, or a page of footer or main text.
That's it. Okay. What is the attribute?
So it gives us attribute gives meta information about HTML element to the browser, sir, which is useful for applying the CSS or other purposes like attribute.
What is the difference between strong and bold?
Strong in sir, bold is a font weight of a type, and so I don't know about it. So
No problem. Check after this. Okay. Okay. What are the lists in HTML?
sir, unordered list and ordered list, sir.
Okay. Suppose I want to order list. Start with alphabet. How to
Yes,
achieve it? Can you show me your screen and type it?
sir, can you view my screen, sir?
Yes, it's visible. It's OL, not UL.
Yes, sir.
Type it's OL, order list. It will happen only in order list, not UL. Type is equal to A. Add some padding or margin to body or any other type. It will be visible. Just open your notepad plus plus. Yes, in index.html. Add
Yes, sir.
some other more than 5 li elements. Okay. Tell me,
Yes, sir.
if I want to red color to particular li like Rohit, Yogesh, and Ishwar, how to achieve it? Each even
Sir,
li element. How to achieve it? Show me.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Using a
good.
sir selector, sir, like a even or odd combination, sir.
Yes, good. Okay. It's- Okay, good, fine. What are the forms in HTML?
Mm, don't know, sir.
Hmm?
No, sir, I don't know.
No problem. Okay. Uh, Tell me,
Yes, sir.
what is the row span and call span?
Row span,
And call span.
sir. The row span used in a sir, container for giving only row, and it call spans are used for giving our page is divided into 12 columns. Division of our into 12 columns or these types of we can use.
Sure.
Mhm. Yes, sir.
Okay, I will again ask on this another question. How can we club two or more rows or column into a single row or column in a HTML table?
Yes, sir.
No. Okay. What is the difference between ID, class, and type selector?
Sir, it's sir, ordering sir difference like separately like ID have ID in a page in a scope we can use only once time, so it has a more preference. Class we can use more time, it is a later than ID, and tags sir we can everywhere use, so it has a low preference sir. CSS can be applied to this papers if we are using ID and class both. So CSS will be applied on ID, sir, not on class, sir, because of preferences.
What is the specificity?
So specificity is a ID class or selector specificity, which is giving the 100 number about, but it means ID always in 100 digits. Class is always 10, 20, 30 digits, and select tags are only in single digit, like or specific, and which element, HTML element have more specificity, the CSL will be applied on it. Like ID specificity is higher than class, and then such tags.
Is it possible to change an inline element into a block level element?
Yes, sir, it's possible, sir, through box sizing property, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
I am asking, is it possible to change an inline element into a block level element?
Yes, sir. We can give the property of box sizing. Box sorry, sir. Box sizing not inline block. Display inline block, sir.
With the help of display level, we cannot do it. Okay. In how many ways can we position an HTML element?
Sir, five types of positions, sir. Like static, relative, absolute, fixed, and sticky, sir. Which is new in HTML5.
By default position is
So static is a by default position. So starting from left side of the screen.
okay. And what is the sticky position?
It is a hybrid of fixed and relative positions, which can we can use at the time of developing the website. Means at this in our page, like here I want to give the sticky positions to here. So after scrolling, when the Ishwar is going up to the interview site, So it will be stick on that type. And when we scrolling, it will not changes. It will not go anywhere.
What is a float?
Sir, float is used for combining two divs in side by side. It's used for at the time of developing the website or other purposes.
Okay. Suppose you have one outer box and then one inner box. Outer box height and width is 500 by 500, and background color is
Okay.
something, and the inner box is 100 by 100, and background color is something. The
Okay.
inner box I want in the center of outer box. Then
Okay.
how to achieve it? Show me.
Sir, box is inside the first element or separate, sir.
I don't know. You decide.
Okay, sir, I am asking for your requirements, sir, because it will be possible in this also, sir.
Then use it, na. Save the index.html file.
Sir,
Save it. Index.html. Yes.
Hello.
Yes, I think it's not in the center.
Sorry.
Okay.
No, it's a center because of not paying even when I-
Okay, check it after some phase the enter. Okay. Tell me what is the difference between link and anchor tag?
Yes, sir. Sir, link tag is used to connect the CSS to the HTML page, sir. And attribute tag is used to use the another when on a website when you click on a link, so it goes on another page, sir.
Another.
Page, sir. Like we are giving here Google, go to the Google, and when you click upon this, so we are going to the directly on Google on a self page or another page to the attribute target of the attribute, sir. Put through the enter tag, sir. No?
Okay. Just a second. Huh? Yes, Rishi sir is here. Hello, Rishi. Hello. Hello, Rishi. I am audible. Hello, Mahesh.
Yes, sir.
I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rishi will
Hello.
take the interview. Yes, Rishi. Then from my side, you can go.
Yes. Okay, Mahesh, what is JavaScript?
So JavaScript it is a uh, lightweighted interpreted having a less self-oriented JavaScript.
You can stop the screen share, Mahesh.
Yes, sir.
Yes. You can continue.
Uh, can I tell again, sir?
Yes.
Hello.
Hmm. Yes.
Sir, sir, JavaScript is lightweight, interpreted, having a first-class function-oriented language, sir.
Okay. And what is first class function?
Here, our page, in our scope, we can store any function any declaration is called as first class function, sir. Function we can store in any declaration, sir.
Okay. What is hoisting?
Sir, all the declaration from this our scope gets shifted up the top of the scope is called as hosting, sir. Madam, 1 minute, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, you can
Yes.
you can stop your screen.
Okay.
Okay. So tell me what is coercion? Hello.
Yes, sir. Uh, Conversion of one data type into
Yes.
the another data type, sir, is called as portion, sir.
Okay. And what is date?
Sir, can you once again? Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Yes. What is date? What is date?
What, sir? Your voice is breaking, sir. Hello?
I think he lost his network. Yes. Okay, Mesh. Hello, I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
I think a network problem going on from Roshi's side. Then we will continue. Okay. Tell me what is the difference between
Yes,
splice and slice?
yes, sir. Sir, slice is used for, sir, cut the string from where we want from in on the basis of index number, and splice have two, sir. We have to give parameters. First is fixed, and second is optional. If give the optional parameter, so we got it string cut from which index number we want to next one. If we not put second option, sir, so it cut from where we put index number to at last, sir.
Okay.
And it's a splice used for in array method for replacing or deleting the deleting the element from array. The slice has three parameters. First is the index number, second is a element which we want to delete, and third is a element which we want to add. So, and in splice, third element is also optional. First and second is a mandatory, sir, for deleting or adding the deleting the element. We can use a splicer.
What is the array?
Sir, the multiple information we can store on the basis of index number is array, sir.
On the number of index number. Okay. What is the string?
So, the characters in alphanumeric form is called as a string, which is represented in a single inverted or a double inverted comma, or in HTML ES6 we can represent in a cell backtick, sir.
Okay. Tell me what is the object?
So, object.
Yes.
So, So object hold the referencer. Object holds the referencer of a specific parameter. So we can put the information in object. So
Okay. Share your screen and tell me what is the function declaration and function expression. Show me, just write it. Share your screen first.
we can forward. Sir. Yes, sir. Can you see, sir? Hello? Hello, sir? Hello, sir?
Yes, I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, okay, sure. It's visible. Okay.
Sir, it's function function declaration and it is a function expression, sir. Because we are store the function in add name, sir. And here we can store in function we cannot store in any declaration. So it's a function declaration and it's a function expression, sir.
Okay. What is the purpose of return and how to use it? Tell me,
Sir,
or show me one example.
hello, sir.
It's showing undefined. Why?
Hello,
It's showing undefined in alert.
hello, sir.
I'm audible. Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, return is used for showing in a alert box or our UI, sir. Yes, sir.
But on alert, it's showing undefined. Why?
I don't know, sir.
After this, you can check line number 5 and 9. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, Tell me how to convert array into string.
Mhm. Okay, sir. I will wait one.
My question is how to
Yes, sir.
convert array into string.
Array into string, sir.
String.
Yes, sir. To join, sir.
Show me how to achieve it. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I'm audible.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Check after the interview.
Yes, sir.
Commit it first. and check after this. Okay.
Okay, sir, I will check it, sir.
Okay. What is a pop and push?
Yes, sir.
So, what is the pop and push?
Sir, pop and push, sir. Sir, pop is used for sir, removing the last element in a array, sir, and push is used for add a new element in a array, sir. At the last.
Show me push.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is? Tell me
Yes, sir.
how to uh, create a empty array.
Empty array, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
No, I just ask you wrong in the wrong way. Suppose line number 16 you write one array. That's array
Yes.
I want to empty. How to achieve it?
What, sir? Remove. Sir, sir, delete, sir. Through delete, we can do it, sir.
Show me.
Sir, in this, all the arrays are pushed in another array, sir.
Show me. No?
Sorry, sir. I think I was wrong, sir.
Yes, check after this. Okay. Suppose I want to print in a console just last element from the array. This 16 number line numbers from 16 number line. I want to print last number array. How to achieve it?
Sir, those are index number, sir.
And without index number, how to achieve it?
Sir,
Okay, no problem. Tell.
of, sir.
Hmm?
Search of, sir. Through the property of search of, yes, yes.
Okay, check after this. Okay. Tell me what is the difference between factory function and constructor function, and what is the purpose behind it?
So both are the blueprints for creating the different types of objects. But factory function use the object, and we need to. It's a lengthy process. Like we have to give a parasympathesis, object name, and return it. But in a factory construction function, we don't need to return it. Or when we call the construction function, always we have to put new keywords. So at the time of declaration. So it will create the this process too. We can create a multiple objects.
Which which type of data type we use?
So primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Two types of data types. In a primitive data types, we have five data types: string, number, boolean, undefined, and null. And in a non-primitive data types, we have array, function, and objects.
What is the difference between primitive and non-primitive?
So primitive data types holds the values, sir, and non-primitive data types holds the references, sir.
Holds the references. Okay. Tell me what is the difference between double equal to and triple equal to?
So double equal to, sir, check only, sir, values, sir. So if we give the values once in a number, like can you show, sir?
Yes, sure.
Sir, here we can see that the Z have a number value and A has a string value. Both are the different data types, but its values are same. In a equal to, this is the symbol of equal to. In a equal to, it
Double
only
equal to.
double equal to. It's check only the, sir, value, sir, not only not the data types, and it is
Okay.
equal to, like triple equal to. It not only checks, sir, value, but also, sir, data type. So its value to become false.
Good. Suppose I have one string. I want to replace some word. How to achieve it?
So replace property, sir.
A replace method. How? Show me how to use. How to use.
Sir, string or string, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Tell me what is the difference between slice, substring, and substr?
Slice substring and CSTR.
Sub, yes, yeah.
Sir, slice substring are sir alternative of itself. Both are alternative of substring sub-str and slice is a alternative of each other. In a sub-str, in a slice, when we put give the parameters, so we have to always give the with plus one sir, because it not take a last parameter. If you want to up to 1 to 10 number, 1 to 10 string, so we have to put index on index number. So we have to give 1 to 11, then it will give up to 1 to 10, sir. And sub is substring. When we want to give the index number, so we have to give index number what we want. Like we want to from this love from E R. So we have to give the R index number, and in front of R we want how many we want characters. We have to do these numbers, this index numbers. And so str means string, sir. Hello.
Okay. Tell me how to convert string into array now. I am asking how to convert string into array.
String into array.
Array.
Sir, to split property, sir.
Hmm?
Split property, sir.
Show me.
Yes. Hello.
Ah, yes. Okay. Show me your statement file. Ah, yeah. So just yes. Okay. Tell me what is the this keyword in object.
This object in object, sir.
Yes.
Sir, orally also true, sir.
Hello. I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
I am asking what is the this keyword in object.
Sir, this keyword is used to this keyword represent the sir in a method, in an object. It is only used in object in a method, sir. And it is when we use this keyword in a object, so it will represent, sir, object which from it inherited. No?
Okay. Okay. Just a second. What is the get date method? How to use it? Show me.
Date method, sir.
Yes.
mentioned here. Get method used for get sir.
Okay. Now, right, where is equal, where declare any declaration name is
So,
equal to 10 or any value. Just
where
where is it, where declare any name or number, where number
yes sir.
declare name now first, variable declare and assign value. Okay. And there is one another declaration where is number, not assign any value.
Okay. It's okay sir.
Yes, and in third variable concat it.
Okay.
And in console, what is the, what will the answer will show? Tell me, don't check it. Okay.
Sir,
If I print in console gh,
yes sir.
what will show?
Sir, NAN sir. You'll get sir NAN number.
Yeah, number. Okay, good. Okay. Done from my side. Mahesh, you have any question?
Sir, I have a question, sir. Yes, sir, I have a question. Sir, in which for loop or while loop, sir, which one is sir?
For loop,
And while loop, sir, when we using, so which one is the best, sir, for functionality or?
for loop is always best. Stop the recording from your side. Just